Hi, today in front of me REALME GT Neo 3T, and I'll show you how to enable and disable silent mode on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here you'll see sound mode section. Just to activate silent mode you should switch ringing to the silent one. Now the ringtones and notifications, they will be muted, so that means that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, just switch silent mode to the ring one and that's it. Also, I got one more way how we can do that. Just open notification panel shortcuts. Here you should find the ring icon. Click twice on this icon and now let's switch to the silent mode. If you want to turn it off, just click on the silent mode icon once again and let's switch to the ring one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.